What is going on, guys, and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm gonna quickly show you all of the ambient lights that a 2022 M550i has. So without further ado, let's hop straight into it. So right now we are on green, so we're gonna skip this one, and then we're gonna jump into the first one, which is bronze. Then it can be a bronze and a white, bronze being on the bottom, white on top. Orange, a very classic BMW color. I kind of dig orange these days. Then of course there's orange and white combo, looks pretty sporty as well. Then there's just white, which looks pretty classic if you want to take your wife, your lady out, or your significant out, or your significant other out. This is pretty cool color. And then there is a blue. Blue is very punchy, I would say, but nice. Makes interior look real nice and modern. And then there's the blue and a white combination of this. And of course, we already seen the green. Click it briefly and jump straight into green and white. Kind of like this setup as well. And then lilac, which is purple. I kind of like lilac as well. Pretty, very soothing color. And then lilac and white. And this would be it for the all of the stock ambient colors that a 2022 BMW M550i has. Hopefully you like this video. Please smash a thumbs up, and of course subscribe for more BMW content like this. See you the next one.